Hello guys, welcome back to the another video of IMVU. So today I'm gonna show you how to change the default room of IMVU shop together. So first of all, hit the bell icon and also like and subscribe. So first of all, you need to go to the settings of IMVU client. Go to the settings, click on the settings on top right corner. Then you will see here the advanced section. Go to that. Then you can see here default room shop together. You can easily change the room from here. Then you can close the room. So after closing the room, you can invite someone in shop and your shop room together room is changed now. So it's loading. So as you can see, my room is changed now. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe, and bye.